What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Negative Edge, and I'm coming to you with another project I've recently finished. This project here took me a couple of weeks, well, actually about maybe 3.5 weeks or whatever, because I had other projects going on, and this one right here was one of my high dollar projects right here for a client that goes by the name of FGC Q Styles, or did I say it right? Q Styles FGC, aka Quince Eastern. I hope you don't mind me saying your government, your government. But anyway, this is what we got going on right here. As you can see on this layout right here, and this is just one of, I believe, 8 or 9 different layouts. You'll see why in a future, in a bit. But this is one of 8 layouts. I believe 8, maybe 9. Anyway. This right here shows 4 different monitors. You got one big screen monitor, then you got 3 on the side. I am using still images because unlike the client, he has a quad capture card where you can implement, or you can hook up 4 different HDMI devices and output, and capture 4 different signals. So basically the big one in the middle, that's the main signal. There's my phone going off. Anyway, that's the main video right there. Then the 3 on the side is like, 3 side videos of what else is going on or is being captured, whatever. But anyway, this idea right here is a tournament style, esports style streaming layout, along with a top 8 bracket chart that I also developed. I will show in a little bit. As a matter of fact, no, let me show it right now. Here it is right here. All of this works together with these layouts. Let's cycle through the layout. There's, the red one, which is layout number 1, or monitor number 1. And as I go to the next one, you see the blue one on the top right corner. Now we go to the next layout. The blue one is the main layout, and the red one goes towards the bottom right. And as we click the next one, look at the Esports ATX 3 layout. You see it's on the you see it's at the top right. Now the third layout is the it's the current layout is now. And if you pay attention to the side, the blue one's on the bottom, the red one moved up to the middle, and then go to the next one, and so on. So these are all in rotation. The reason for this is the client wants to have 4 different matches going on at once, and he's able to cycle through them with a hotkey or using the stream deck, which is no problem. All right, and once that is over with, let's say we go to the top 8 or whatever, then we pull up the what I call the finals layout. Here's the winners finals. Everything's a little different right now, but it's just only showing the winners finals, and of course the blue is the losers semis. Let's go to that one. All right, and as you can see, the layout switched. The losers semis is now the main monitor, and the winners is on the side monitor. So if you want to cycle through it just to see what's going on or whatever, he has that option. I also did one for losers finals, keeping the winners finals going on ATX 1. The separate, well, actually is the same layout, but I've made it to where it picks up if it's losers finals or losers semis or whatever, But anyway, and then there's the grand finals. It's his own layout right here, and this is basically going to show everything that's going on. Let me fix something right quick. Well, that's just something I need to adjust right quick, but no biggie. Here we go. It's a minor adjustment, whatever. But I'm using images, but he's going to be using actual video. But anyway, and then, if we want to go big screen with the grand finals or whatever, there it is. He has that option too. He could cycle through either or. Up to him. He asked for a bigger screen, and I gave him this one as well too. So, it pretty much won't go to waste. And it shows the grand finals, his ATX Esports logo, the little trophy, got and did a little bit of Photoshop work with it, whatever. But this is his layout, and he's able to cycle through it. You know, the screen rotation, the four monitor screen rotation. You know, they're color coded and everything. And then to the winners, losers, semifinals, grand finals, and the large one. All right, but that's not it though. Now you see up here where it says add player 1, add player 2. I made a custom control page for that. So let's go to that right now. Custom control page panel for this project right here. Okay, as you can see, this is the control panel, and this controls and edits everything on each monitor. So first off, 8 players needs to be named, right? You know, it needs to be added below. Until I have 8 players in the database, which is basically the top 8, none of these features will be active. I mean, I could add the name of a game or whatever, you know, to update the charts or whatever. Let me demonstrate that right quick. As you can see the chart, see where it says game, random game over there towards the top right under the logo. So if I was to change it to, let's say, Killer Instinct, my non-typing ass. Anyway, here we go. And I click, and I'll go to the control panel. Where we at? I type in Killer Instinct where it says game name, and I click update game. It updated. Go to the top charts, and as you can see, it changed to Killer Instinct. It does it on the fly. Ain't no refreshing or nothing like that. It updates on the fly. All of this is connected to the layouts and the control panel. This control panel controls everything. All right, let's go back to the control panel once again. So basically, as you can see, I could update the name or whatever. And let me explain this right here up top. The monitors, like I got it color coded, Esports ATX Screen 1, which is this layout right here. Okay, going back to the control panel, Screen 2, which is this layout right here. See, the colors is, you know, the color is supposed to represent the main monitor and that particular layout. And you know, if I go back to the control panel again, you see this little faded yellow gold like color, which is Screen 3. We go to layout 3, and everything in that section controls that. So basically, y'all get the picture. Everything from the screens to the winners and all that, and I got everything color coded. It controls and is assigned to that particular layout. So let's do a quick modification. So I gotta add some players to even unlock that, you know, and I try to make this dummy proof as possible. All right, so let's say if I just click add player and there's nothing there, as you can see, no blank entries. That's a security feature I added. All right, let's add some players. I'm gonna just put random names on there. Give me a moment. This guy. Okay, click that, and there goes the player list. See, I updated this guy. And if I want to delete the player for whatever reason, I can. But still, until you get 8 players added to the database, to the players list, none of this will open. All right, so let's go ahead and, you know what, I'm gonna just put names up there. It's 1 name, it's 2 names. Thompson, the best Jago, the best Jago in the country. All right, good. Somebody I look up to and respect, Rotendo, aka Rodolfo, if I said your name right. I met him in the KI community, one of the coolest cats you could be friends with. All right, who else I got? I don't know if Nikki is still with this group or whatever though, but that man Fogor is crazy, and I think he mains Mira as well too. That's another one of my favorite season 3 characters, Mira the vampire chick. So I'm just adding names. These are not like official names or whatever. This is just a demonstration of the control panel and, you know, the player database and all that. I still need 3 more names to unlock, you know, all the features down here or whatever. So let's add 3 more. Weird man, whatever. That guy. I can't even type. That guy. Let's add him. Random spammer. I'm just naming shit. All right, that's 8 people. Even if I try to add somebody else or whatever, and just put this guy. If I try to add that, it won't do a maximum players reach. So like I said, I dummy proof this as much as possible. All right, so now that we got the names, you see these buttons are unlocked now. Everything is unlocked. So if I want to add a player, everybody name is added here. Click the drop window and there's their names again. All you gotta do is select one. Select the guy and me versus Thompson. If I ever fought Thompson in Killer Instinct, I get my ass kicked. So all right, so we got that right now. I'm about to click update screen 1. Let's go to the layout. This is the layout that it controls, and when I click update screen 1, watch what happens. The names automatically update on the fly. So that makes it easy on the person that's running the tournament. They don't have to go into OBS and type stuff or whatever. This control panel controls these layouts, and whatever I update on the control panel updates over here. Now if I need to update wins or whatever, let's say, you know, I managed to get 1 win in, but this guy done kicked my ass and got you know, both of the wins, best 2 out of 3. Best 2 out of 3 or whatever. So look at the wins, you see it says 0-0, and if you go to the control panel, you can see I added, you know, I got 1 round and he got 2 rounds. Now let's go back to the layout. I'm gonna click update screen 1, and the wins, you know, it updates or whatever. So I made it as easy as possible for whoever is running the tournament to manage everything from the control panel. That's why I tell everybody, if you're streaming, especially doing online streams and stuff like that, whatever, multiple monitors is a must. I would say 3 will be the minimum, but you know, not everybody has 3 monitors, but at least two, but 3 would be the recommended amount. Even if it's just something like a little crappy monitor or whatever, just to you know, help manage your stream and stuff like that. Multiple monitors for a stream are a must. And then of course, you know, as you can see where it says best 2 out of 3 out the win, you know, next, you know, with the same row with the wins at on the layout. If I go to the control panel, you see what says best 2 out of 3. Let's just say round 1. You know, I can name that too. And then I click update screen, go here, update. As you can see, round 1. Now check this out. If I want to cycle through layouts, if I want to bring out the next layout, no matter what order, I have everything assigned to hotkey, so I could pull up layout 4 if I want to. Everything doesn't have to be in a circular, you know, in a rotation type, you know, thing or whatever. I just did it like that to simplify it. But if I want to go to another monitor, let's say we go to the next one. As you can see, look in the bottom right. You can see, you'll be able to see what's going on that monitor, and you'll still see who's fighting or whatever. I should add a win count to it as well too, but you can still see who's fighting on that particular monitor, while on the main monitor, the blue one, the one that got Orchid and Jago, Orchid looked like she's doing a combo breaker or she broke a combo, you know, I can add names to that and wins and change that description. Everything, like I said, everything from the control panel is color coded and assigned to that particular layout on the stream. All right, so I'm gonna just do one more demonstration because I'm pretty sure y'all get the picture now. I'm gonna just do one more demonstration. I'm gonna add another player. Let's add Nikki, one of the craziest, the best Fulgor in Killer Instinct, and I think he also mains Mira as well too. And I'm just gonna put a random spammer, and let's just say this is round 2, and let's say Nikki basically 3-0'd this guy, and I'm about to click update screen 2. Let's go to that particular layout, update screen 2, and as you can see, everything updated. So once again, like I said, I did my best to make this as easy and simple as possible for whoever is running this tournament, you know, for my client. Basically, this is his ATX Esports. That's his tournament, that's his business, that's his name. So basically this was made for him. Now before I go on to the brackets, and before I go ahead and explain the brackets, let me say this. this structure, period, I can make this for anybody that wants to, you know, host a tournament or have like an esports page or like a control panel, whatever. This is not limited to my current client, although he did request this. And to be honest with you, this was a challenge to me to see if I could actually pull something like this off, and I did. And I mean, you have no idea the sense of accomplishment I get when I, you know, come up with stuff like this or whatever. You know, this is something I've never done before, but I knew that I could build it. Took a while, and I got it. And as I was going, I just got more and more ideas, and the more ideas, the more you do, the more bug testing and security features you got to add and stuff like that. That's just how it is. That's how it is with web development and software development. But anyway, okay, let's go to the brackets now. Like I said, y'all see me demonstrating, y'all see me demonstrate the brackets. I added the name Killing Instinct, and when I updated it, the top 8 charts, did it, whatever. Okay, so now we at the top 8. The preliminaries, the elimination match or whatever, all that's done. So now we got our top 8 players. That's basically the top 8 names you'll add to the player list or stuff like that. But anyway, let's go here to the winner semi slot. The winner semis basically controls the winning semis, area on the chart. So let's add some names. All right, let's say I made it to the, semis or whatever. I'm just gonna add names just so y'all can see how everything works. Okay, I'm just gonna add everybody's name on here. Random spammer. There's one more I forgot. Who did I forget? Rotendo. Okay. All right. Now I'm about to update the brackets. When I click update the brackets, the first column of the 8 rows should update with everybody's name just to get the bracket started. So when I click update brackets on the control panel, watch what happens. Everybody's name is added. It updates on the fly. And if I want, they fight it out or whatever, winner semis and whatever. So I need to add Negative Edge versus Thompson to the winner semis monitor. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Me, Thompson, like I said, Thompson will whoop my ass in this game. So don't even, I'm not calling him out, whatever. But anyway, I added all the information to the winners finals layout, which is this one right here. So when I click update screen, watch what happens. There it is, Negative Edge versus Thompson. Oh shit, I got 3 wins to his 1. Yeah, right. Anyway, there you go. And let's go to the loser semis or whatever. Let's add some names there. Who do we have? All right, the losers. Okay, we got Weird Man and that guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to losers. Weird Man, that guy. I'm not even gonna update the wins or whatever, but pay attention to the little blue Esports ATX 2 screen, and where it says add player 1, add player 2. Those names should I can't even talk. Those names should update. Click that. There they go. I mean, you will pre-assign all of this like before the match even starts and stuff like that, but like I said, all of this is just a demonstration of what's going on. So let's go to the loser semis layout, and as you can see, the name changes and stuff like that, and there goes my name and Thompson's name. Thompson's gamer tag name on the mini red monitor or whatever. So that's the winner's monitor, and this is the loser semis. Let's go back and forth so you can see. There you go. All right, now if we do losers finals, we click that. The winners finals monitor is still going to be there, but I have to add names to, I had to assign names for this, the losers finals right here, which I haven't, but I'm not going to do because I'm pretty sure you understand how this works right now. Same thing with the grand finals You know, I could add a name and stuff like that, and who wins and stuff. And if we want to show it on a bigger screen, you know, basically the same thing, just the screen is enlarged. But that's pretty much it, though, how this layout works. In the bracket system and the top 8 charts, you know, let's say if let's say if I really manage to beat Thompson, we're gonna go to the control panel, go to the winner's final spot, update my name, and let's say Nikki beats Immortal Sin, which is basically another one of my names or whatever, and we add Nikki right here. Okay, and then on the loser slot, Thompson will go right here to slot 1. Immortal Sin will go to slot 2. Alright, let's say Weird Man won against that guy, which means that guy is eliminated. So Weird Man goes over here, and Rotendo won against Random Spammer. So that's the winners finals and that's the losers finals right there. I'm about to update the bracket. Let me go ahead and click update the bracket, and there it is, it's updating. And we go to the charts. As you can see, everything is updated, and y'all get the picture how it goes on. You know, the losers, whoever wins between me and Thompson and Mortal Sin goes to loser semi. Same thing on the bottom. Weird Man, Random Spammer. Oh, I added the wrong one. I said it was supposed to be Rotendo. My bad. I added the wrong name. But anyway, and of course the winners finals, whoever takes that goes to the grand, and then whoever wins all the way to the losers finals goes to the grand, and they fight for the championship. But that's it, though. That is my script that I created for my client, Q Styles FGC, aka Quince Easter. Thank you for your business, much appreciated, and I'm ultra excited to see this in use. And reaction I got from you once I showed you everything and demonstrated it and watched you hooked it up. I mean, just to see a customer satisfied and me going beyond their expectations means everything to me, and that's what I do. So that's the project. That's this esports package I put together for him, and on to the next. Thank you for watching. Negative Edge.